In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve homework problems with Grok. Easy Method 2026. First, open your favorite web browser and head to grok.com. Typing the address directly into the address bar helps you avoid landing on lookalike pages. Once the site loads, you'll be on the official homepage, which is where everything starts. If you plan to use Grok often, consider bookmarking the page so you can jump back in quickly the next time you study. Next, log into your Grok account. This part is fast and optional, but it's helpful because it saves your chat history and lets you pick up where you left off. That means you can revisit explanations, compare different solution paths, and keep track of uploaded materials across sessions. Use your usual sign-in method, and once you're in, you're ready to work. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface front and center. Think of it as your study partner. It's built to respond to questions, walk through reasoning, and adapt as you clarify what you need. Take a second to scan the layout so you know where to type, where to attach files, and where responses will appear. In the main view, look for the chat bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll enter your prompts. You should also see an option to add files or images. If your homework is on paper, or if there's a diagram or equation, that attachment button is your friend. Now, ask Grok to solve homework problems by typing a clear request. For example, you can say, "Help me solve this homework problem," and show each step, then either paste the text of the problem or upload a photo. If you upload an image, make sure it's well lit, sharp, and fully in frame. Include any instructions from your assignment, like simplify, prove, or explain your reasoning, so Grok tailors the solution properly. As the answer appears, watch for step-by-step logic, definitions, and formulas you can learn from. Use this to understand the method, then write up your own solution in your own words. If the first response isn't quite right or you want more depth, ask for more detail. You can say, "Break this into smaller steps, explain the concept before solving," or "Show an alternative method, clarify any parts that are confusing, request examples with similar numbers," or ask for a quick summary at the end. Iterating like this helps you build intuition and confidence. That's it. Visit grok.com, optionally log in to save progress. Use the chat bar, share your problem clearly, and refine the answer with follow-up questions. Happy studying, and see you in the next one.